In this video, we will see what are inscribed angles and how to solve problems that involve this type of angle. To start, let's see what is an inscribed angle. An inscribed angle is made from points sitting on the circle's circumference, like the one that we have on the screen that is indicated in green. Exactly in front of the inscribed angle, we have an arc formed, which in this case is arc AB, and it's called the intercepted arc. The inscribed angle theorem says the measure of an inscribed angle is equal to half the measure of its intercepted arc. In the case of the arc that we have in this example, the inscribed angle is angle ACB, and its intercepted arc is arc AB. Therefore, the measure of angle ACB is going to be half of the measure of arc AB. Let's see our first example. If arc AD measures 86 degrees, find the measure of angle ABD. Okay, that means that arc AD, which is this one, measures 86 degrees. And we are looking for angle ABD, which is this one. We're going to call it X. Okay, then to find the measure of angle X, we need to take half of its intercepted arc, which is half of 86. Half of 86 is 43. That means that angle X is 43 degrees. Let's see a second example. If arc PR measures 120 degrees, find the measure of angle PQR and angle PSR. First, let's write the information that the problem gives us. It says that arc PR, which is this one, measures 120 degrees. We need to find the measure of angle PQR, which is this one, and the angle PSR, which is that one. Let's start with angle PQR. Okay. Inscribed angle PQR has an intercepted arc of 120 degrees. That means that the measure of the angle is half of 120, which is 60 degrees. Now, to find the measure of angle PSR, we see that the intercepted arc of angle PSR is exactly the same arc of PQR. Both of them are angle PR. That means that the measure of angle PSR is also going to be 60 degrees. Let's solve our third example. Find the measure of the interior angles of triangle ABC. It may seem confusing that now we're talking about a triangle, but if we pay attention to the picture, we see that the vertices of this triangle are inscribed angles, and all of them have intercepted arcs. Let's start with angle C. Angle C is an inscribed angle, and its intercepted arc is arc AB. And arc AB measures 100 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle C is going to be half of 100 degrees, which is 50 degrees. Okay, now we have the measure of angle C. We also have the measure of arc AC, which is 110 degrees. Arc AC is the intercepted arc of angle B because it's exactly in front of it. Therefore, to find angle B, we take half of its intercepted arc, which is 110, and we get 55 degrees. There are different ways that we can find the measure of angle A. What I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract from 180 the other two angles, 55 and 50, because I know that if I add the three angles in any triangle, the answer should be 180 degrees. So 180 minus 55 minus 50 gives us a result of 75. Therefore, angle A measures 75 degrees. And now we have the measure of all the interior angles of triangle ABC. Thank you for watching this video.